Use special sample superstore subset.xlsx using orders and return sheets. Create a hierarchy containing segment region, then create a visualization that shows the sales returns for this hierarchy. Using this hierarchy, find out which segment region has the lowest sales return. So by reading the question, which things come into our mind is that this question is related to creating a hierarchy, and the very important thing is it has involved the sales return. So in the data set, we should have the different sheets like orders and returns. We have to make a join in order to get only the sales return data. We have to create a hierarchy, and then we need to find the segment region which has the lowest sales return. So this solution could be done by using the descending order simply, or the visualization, or we can use the calculation. Let's see now the solution. Data source is already loaded. Since this question involves the sales return, we have to make the join with the sales return. If we see this, we have done it as a inner join, so it means only the sales which has the returns will be reflecting in this. Now for example, in order to clear your concept, if we go here, we clear this already working. For example, let's take years here, and let me put the sales here. So for example, in 2010 the sales is 43,650. Now this value is a sales return actually, since we have already joined the returns. Just to clear the concept, if I remove this returns, let's see the sales. See, it has grown too much, so it means this is the actual sales, but if we join or returns with this, it only gives us the data for the sales return. Now let me bring the returns back by putting the returns here. So now this data is giving me the sales return value. Let's now move to the question. The question requires us to create a hierarchy of the segment and the region. Segment is a field here. This is a customer segment and region. If I put region on the top of segment, it will create a hierarchy automatically, and its name is customer segment region hierarchy. This hierarchy has come. Let me put it here, and customer region hierarchy here. Sales return. Now if I put sales here, it will give me the sales values. And they have asked to find the lowest value of sales return in the segment region. So this is segment. If I click it, region, and if I enable the value here, so by seeing the data, we can notice that 1138 is the lowest value. So whenever you go for the solution, always try to go for the visual thing, because it is really very helpful and the quickest way to find the required result. By seeing the bar graph length, we can very quickly identify that this is the smallest graph. So the solution of this question was small business central. Customer segment is small business and the region is central. So this is the answer of the question. Thank you very much.